lots of writing on here. You need to have all that writing. Get rid of that. Obviously, you don't have to write this down. And we'll just write down the work. Like I did there. There we go. So, we have this guy, single, in his mid-20s, owns a condo in a big city, and he has calculated the following assets and liabilities. So if you don't have your calculator, you need to grab it. So assets, it gives you liabilities. You know, he owns part of his condo, but he still owes some. He has some student loans, some credit card debt, so on. Last year, he calculated his net worth as $205,780. We're going to compare both values and what do the changes mean. So in order to figure out net worth, put it back on black. There we go. Net worth, the definition for that was, back up here, there, difference between your assets and your liabilities. So we need to know the total amount of assets and the total amount of liabilities. So we are going to add all those up. So we're going to take the assets, grab our calculator, see how much our assets are. What did you guys get for his assets?
$673,180.
Yep, that's what I got too. $673,180. If you didn't get that, it's probably I just typed a button wrong. I hit a button wrong. Anybody do liabilities yet? Liabilities are the other ones. That's how much you owe. You need me to make that bigger?
It's fine.
Okay. Okay, what do we get? Not Gwyneth, somebody else.
8,600.
8,600?
No, 90,600. Wait, hold on. Oh, that's good.
Did you get it, Angela?
432,600.
Yeah. There we go. Nope. And you just type something wrong. It happens. Yeah. $432,600. Okay, so how do we find the net worth?
Subtract liabilities from assets.
Yep. So net worth is assets minus liabilities. So that is, our assets were $673,180, and our liabilities were $432,600. So what's our net worth?
$240,580.
Yeah. So you have to subtract those. Now, last year his net worth was $205,780. So what does that mean?
It increased.
Yeah, he has more net worth. So he's doing better is what it means. He's paid off some of his bills, and so he's worth, or I keep saying he, it's not individually, it's financially, he's worth more money. Yeah. Again, I wrote all over this one, forgot to erase it. Okay, Tome. Never heard of that name, but Tome's monthly liabilities and assets are here. And we want to find what's called his debt to income ratio. And we're going to express that ratio as a percent. Again, you don't have to write all this down because we're going to use it. But what I write down, you need to write down. So what we do is we take, basically, his liabilities, which would be his debt, liabilities, otherwise known as debt. And we're going to put that over his assets, which is his income. So we're going to have to find a total of each of these. So add up all the liabilities and all the assets. Kendra, when you figure out what all of these debts add up to be, let me know. And Casey, you give me the assets. Add those up. A little bit bigger for y'all. That's absolutely right. Yep. Good. So, liabilities were $3,400. Assets were $8,300. And we're going to divide those. And I want 3 decimals here.
Wait, 4409.
We'll see the 9. I got a 5. but I may have typed it in wrong. 3,400 divided by 8,300. It is, well, yeah, it is. I typed it in wrong. It actually would be 410 because the 6 rounds the 9 up to 10.
Yeah, I didn't know if we were supposed to.
Okay, so multiply that by 100%, and we get 41%. So 41% is his debt to income ratio. That is really high. That's bad. What you want, so debt to income ratio, you want less than 15%. That's really good. If it's greater than 20%, then you need a debt, what did we call that? A debt reduction planning. So 41% is really bad. Sorry. And that is the last one. So tomorrow we'll go over, or I'll give you the assignment that goes with this. If you haven't started on or finished 10.3, please make sure you do that.